Hi guys, so today I want to show you this professional car vacuum cleaner kit that comes with 17 pieces. This is awesome because you can clean every inch of your car and leave it spotless. I'm gonna take everything out and show you one by one. Okay, so I take everything out of the box and look all these pieces that come in that little box. This is amazing. Let's start over here. This is the portable vacuum cleaner with the car adapter. It comes with this extra filter and this brush to clean the filter. It comes with this detailing brush set, and also with these 3 pieces wire brush that is for cleaning your engine, battery, and all that inside of the car. It also comes with this towel that is very soft, with this brush that is for cleaning your air vents. Over here, this other brush is for cleaning your dash. This one is for cleaning your windshields, with this spray bottle that you can put your favorite product. And these are some universal dust cleaning gels. This is almost like a slime, or not almost, it is a slime that it can pick up that very little dust in your little corners that you cannot reach where your vacuum. And finally, it comes with some extendables brushes that you can put to your vacuum cleaner, like this brush over here, this extra long hose, this another tube to connect this one. And after you finish cleaning your car, it comes with this bag to put everything inside of it. So now let's try this in my car and show you how it works.